In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can earn $50 for free. So this is something that anyone can do it. For everyone who is searching how to make money online, this is perfect video for you guys. So make sure to watch this video till end. And also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So let's not waste any time, let's jump straight to this video guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to resell services. So you can do it by yourself and you can resell them. There are two options, so I'm going to show you guys both of the options that you can do this job and make money online. So make sure to watch this video till end. So the first option on how to make money with this method is to find cheaper prices. For example, if you're selling logo design, you want to find the cheaper price and sell it for a higher price. So I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do this, and you can basically be agent online. So make sure to watch this video till end guys. So you can see this is a freelancing website for everyone around the world. When they need some job, they go on this website, they search to get like logo design, channel art, website, and many more things. So make sure to watch how to do this guys. So we're going to go on this website called People Per Hour, where you can find tons of people that need freelancers to do some tasks for them. So let's click right here on search. And also you can go and sign up on this website for free, so you don't need to worry about paying for anything. So when you click on search right here and you go search projects, and for example search for logo design, you can see this guy says in one day they asked, I need a logo design. So basically they're going to pay fixed price of $53 if they get logo design that they want. You can see other company, they're asking $15 to get logo design. This third company is asking $131 to get a logo design. This another website is asking $243 to get a logo design. So I want to show you guys how you can get these logo designs professionally done by some professional freelancers for very cheaper price. So there are two options, as I said guys. You can create it by yourself or you can pay someone much cheaper to do this job for you and you can keep the profit. So right here you can see let's say $53 for logo design. So if you go on Fiverr and you search for example, logo design, you can see these professional guys can do it for, let's say $20. They can do it for $25, $30. So you can see this guy will create free creative professional logo designs for $30. So what you can do is you can go, for example, let's say this guy, we can go and ask them to create professional logo design for $20, and you can go enter what this customer wants. You can go and buy the logo design from this guy for $20 and resell to this guy for $53. So that means that you're going to keep $33 profit from this method. But you don't want to go with these cheaper prices because you can't get that difference in price. So for example, this guy is asking $15, and if you buy this logo from Fiverr for $20 and resell it back to this guy, you're going to get minus $5. So you don't want to be in red, you always want to be in green. You can also go and I want this guy wants to animate logo design. So you can go and ask these guys. You can go with some of the better guys, like this guy selling his services for $45. That means maybe sometimes these guys are going to do it better, but some of the people just want to do it for a cheaper price because they're going to get more orders. That is the reason why some of the guys are selling for cheaper and someone is selling for higher price. It doesn't mean that these guys are better or worse. So guys, if this guy is selling for, again, $20 logo design, you can resell it for $131 or $243. You're going to be $220 in profit. So this is really great method. You can see again, this guy is asking for a logo design for $66. So there is a lot of potential to resell these services. So basically you're like agent that is connecting two people that can do the service and they want the service, and you're going to do it for some of, let's call it, commission. So that is your cut. For example, $53, you sell it for 20, you buy it for 20, you sell it for 53, you're going to be $33 in profit. So another way to do this method is to do these logo designs by yourself. Or for example, there are tons of people that are searching, for example, YouTube thumbnail. You can see some of these guys need, for example, YouTube art. So YouTube art, they want to pay $66 for this YouTube art. And I want to show you guys how you can create this YouTube art very easy and in less than 5 minutes. So what I'm using to create all of this stuff is called Canva Studio. So Canva is a free software. Just go on canva.com, you can create a free account, and then you can go and create, you can see it right here, logo design, you can create YouTube channel art, you can create Facebook cover, blog banner, Pinterest pin. So there are tons of methods that you can use this Canva to create a tons of different stuff. But let's say we're going to create channel art for this guy. So this guy needs YouTube art, so let's create one for him in less than few minutes. So let's click right here on Canva, YouTube channel art. Let's click on that. And you can see there are also pre-made templates for you guys that you can use and change whatever your customer wants. So for example, if they want channel art just like this, you can go and move this image right here. You can change the image. You can go and change the text. For example, if you want to, for example, he wants to probably say his YouTube channel name. So he probably wants to write here what is his videos about. You can make it, for example, bigger if your customer wants the bigger text, or maybe you can create it smaller if your customer wants smaller text. You can put whatever image you want to right here and just download it. When you're done creating, just click on download and you can press download, and you're going to download this template that you have created for free. So this is really amazing website, and not a lot of people are going to know about this website because that is not their job. You're just like, as I said, agent that is connecting two people, or you're going to make this stuff by yourself. So there are tons of different ways that you can do this method, guys. And for example, you can post his image right here and change the text if you want to, or there is literally a tons of different templates that you can use for this method. So this is really amazing way that you can create, for example, channel art or YouTube thumbnail or any other stuff like logo design. You can go and create a professional logo design in just a few clicks. So for example, click on logo designs. You can use, for example, this logo design. You can put the name of the company. You can put what their company is about, and you have a professional logo design. Or for example, if they want to look something like this, you can also, as I said, resize the text. Everything looks very professional. So I really like this website because, for example, if you're creating for burger, you can create something like this. So all of these are free templates, and when you want to download it to sell it, just press on download and you're over. You can send this to your customer. If they like the logo design, they're going to give you guys money, and that is basically how this transaction works. So again, there are a few options. You can go and resell from Fiverr. You can go and resell all of the stuff that your customer needs back to freelancing websites like People Per Hour, and that way you're going to make like agent commission on profit, or you can go and do it these tasks by yourself using Canva or websites like that. So this is really easy way to make money online, guys. If you're interested in more videos like this, make sure to press that like button. And also, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss them out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.